What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Cars with Lewis. We're on our way to Alpha Garage for their car party event. Super excited. Once we get there, we're going to show you a bunch of cool cars that they have in display. It's going to be a lot of copyright music, so I might not talk a lot, but I'm going to film a lot. So let's go. All right, so we are at Alpha Garage, guys. Let's go check this place out. All right, so we show up to this place, and the first thing that's in the front entrance here is the 6x6 Apocalypse. That is crazy. Take a look at Dustin 720S right here. Yeah, see, this thing is epic, man. Wow. So 720S with the purple stitching. There it is. Hi. Dustin 720S. It's got this really cool purple accents. See the lighting? And then the seat belts, which is pretty cool, man. This car is so sick, dude. Just the way he's got it set up, man. It comes factory like this?
Yeah.
With the purple lighting and stuff?
Oh, really?
I think. But yeah. Hey, you click the button and the screen goes up? This one right here? Oh, you gotta press it. Okay, you gotta press it. That's what he's gotta do. Yeah, that's what he was asking, if it went up or not. That's so cool, man. This thing is sick. Alright guys, so in here we have this beautiful collection of McLarens. The Elva, a McLaren SLR, another McLaren SLR, and all the way in the back over there, my favorite car, Carrera GT. That is stunning, man. Look at that. This Elva, guys, all carbon fiber exposed. Super cool, man. That is amazing. I've never seen one in person till today. That's super cool. I love this one right here too. The orange, man, this is nice. Very cool. If you guys like this vlog, please comment below, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Hopefully you guys enjoy the content today. It's time to go home and grab some dinner, meet up with my family, so let's go.